When it comes to choosing the right platform for your small business, Wix versus Shopify often comes up. Both are well known, but they cater to different types of business needs. If you're wondering which one is more suitable for your small business, stick around, because I'll dive into the details and give you the insight you need to make the best choice. Let's start with Wix. It's known for its ease of use and flexibility. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to launch a simple website, Wix makes it super easy to design and manage. You don't need to be tech savvy, and you can get a store up and running with minimal effort. The drag and drop builder is fantastic for anyone who doesn't want to get bogged down by complicated designs or features. Next thing, pricing. Wix is known for its low starting price, which might seem like a huge benefit if you're on a tight budget. Their basic plan allows you to create a website for free, but you'll need to upgrade if you want to access e-commerce features like a shopping cart or payment gateway. For a small business owner just getting started, Wix's pricing can feel more affordable at first glance. But the catch here is that as you grow, Wix can get more expensive with add-ons, and it's not as scalable as Shopify. Now let's talk about Shopify. If you're running a growing small business with big plans to expand, Shopify is likely the better option. Shopify is an e-commerce powerhouse. It's built for businesses that need robust features to handle sales, shipping, and inventory management. Whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or services, Shopify has the tools to support your needs. It also has an incredible app store, allowing you to scale up your business with integrations that automate a lot of the tedious stuff. Next thing, customization. With Shopify, you get a lot more control over your store's functionality and design. You can tweak your theme, set up advanced features like discount codes, and even integrate with third-party tools more seamlessly. However, the learning curve is steeper than Wix, so you'll need to spend a bit of time getting to grips with the platform. The fourth thing we should mention is support. Shopify offers 24/7 support, which is a huge plus for small business owners. You can get help anytime, whether it's a technical issue or a question about managing your store. Wix does offer customer support, but it's not quite as comprehensive. While you can reach them via chat or email, the response times can vary, and you don't get the same level of 24/7 availability as with Shopify. When it comes to SEO, both platforms offer basic tools for optimization. However, Shopify tends to be more robust in this area. Shopify provides better built-in SEO tools, helping you improve your site's visibility on search engines. Wix is working on its SEO capabilities, but it can be a bit more limited, especially as your site grows and you need more advanced SEO options. But there's a trade-off with both platforms. Wix is great for simplicity, but it doesn't scale as well as Shopify when your business needs more advanced tools. On the other hand, Shopify is more expensive and requires a steeper learning curve to get started. So, after trying both, I can tell you that while Wix and Shopify are both great platforms, they have their limitations when it comes to powering a small business with big growth potential. But if you're looking for something that offers more than both of them combined, something that's designed for a smoother experience with higher customization and lower costs, then I'd suggest checking out the first link in the description. It offers a free trial with exclusive benefits that will help you take your business to the next level. Wix and Shopify are both solid options depending on your needs, but if you're looking for something even better, don't miss out on the free trial through our link. You'll get the best deal available, and you'll be able to make an informed decision without any commitment.